Two dragons play with a ball. 二龙戏居. Turtle warming its belly is a delightful and nourishing way to soften the abdomen. Clinically, I have noticed that it's useful for soothing many forms of digestion and elimination difficulties, and is a great way to ease the belly to deepen the breath. Place your palms on top of your navel, and allow your awareness to settle into the space beneath. Take as much time as you need for the mind to feel centered and free of your breath. How does placing attention into this area impact the activity of the mind? With your awareness following beneath the palms, begin circling your hands around your navel. Slowly spiral outward, away from the navel, across the surface of your abdomen. For this exercise, keep your waist and upper body still. Your lower body is also at rest, as you continue to soften through your legs and to the ground. Larger-bodied and pregnant practitioners may not feel comfortable circling the entirety of their belly, and that is perfectly okay. Once the circuit of your hands has covered your whole abdomen, change direction and spiral back in toward the navel. The intent is to warm, nourish, and soften your belly. Let your hands become gentle and attentive. Your elbows hang effortlessly from the shoulders, and a tiny Buddha's smile rests on your lips. Eventually, your hands will rest upon your belly button, feeling the warmth of your palms soaking into your belly. Allow your awareness to rest quietly in the same space. If you find it difficult at this point to quiet your mind enough to notice such things, don't worry. In future stages, you will also learn how to heal this imbalance. Be patient with yourself, and keep practicing. The next step. Continue studying each of the snake and turtle exercises at a basic level until you can begin a daily practice of the entire series. Many studies are showing a strong link between indigestion and mental-emotional stress. As such, I recommend using this practice by itself before each meal to benefit your digestive health. This is also a great tool to use if you felt like you have overeaten. Homework suggestion. Take a piece of paper and write down a number from 1 to 10. How ready are you to do what it takes to heal? This is a serious question and will require a moment of thought. There is power in writing something down and making a choice out loud. Please do it now. Pause as long as you need. Then, once you have decided, answer this question. Why didn't you choose a lower number? You must understand your own need to heal and to feel more vital than you do right now. Please share your response with the community in the comment sections if you feel comfortable and brave. Let's continue to support each other toward wellness. Thank you so much, and happy training!